So I want to show you how to download data sets in this class, and we're going to try to put that into StatCrunch. Now, when you're working the homeworks, you generally won't have to worry about this. There'll be a little tab you can click and it will ask you whether you want to open up the data set as an Excel file or in StatCrunch. Almost always you're going to want to choose StatCrunch because the computations are generally easier than in Excel. But there will be times like this where I give you a data set that's not in the homework and I ask you to analyze it. So for example, if you're going through the book, there's this data set right here that we want to analyze. So I'm going to hold down Control and click, and the data set opens up. Now this data set is in a Google Sheet form, and this is an easy way to share work among different people because all you need is the link. But we're going to have to first of all download this in Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and do download. And it downloads it here as an Excel file. And I don't have to look at it. It goes to my download folder. I might want to save it with a special name, okay? But I'm just going to keep it like this. And this is in my download folder. Now I want to open this up in StatCrunch. So here's how we do this. You're going to go to My Lab and Mastering. And you're going to click on that link on the left-hand menu that says StatCrunch. So you'll click here. And then you'll click on Visit the StatCrunch website. Open StatCrunch. And now we have a blank StatCrunch spreadsheet. I want to open my Excel data file, so I'm going to go to Data, choose the first option, Load. A little sub-menu comes up, From File on my computer. And then I'm just going to find wherever this data set is. Now, mine went to my download folder. It's generally not a bad idea for you to have a dedicated folder just for data sets because we may use them over again and again. And you open it up. I could put a description down here. I won't bother to do that. And I'm just going to say upload. The data set is a little on the largest side, so it'll take a little while to upload. And there it is. Okay, in the next video, we're going to learn how to sort data values.